How's it going, everybody? PK Investing here. One of the greatest joys experienced by a dividend growth investor is getting a notification on your phone that a company you own has paid you a dividend. However, this is a joy that many Fidelity users don't get to experience, since the brokerage doesn't really alert you when a dividend is paid. The only way you would know if a dividend was paid is if you manually checked your account activity. But I think I found a way to cheat the system. Sort of. We're going to start out at the login page, like usual. Once you load into the home page, hover your cursor over the News and Research tab. This will reveal a drop-down menu. Go ahead and click on Alert. This will take you to your Alerts page. From here, click on the Account Events and Services option. You'll see that I already have an alert set up, but yours might be blank. Now we'll click on the Alert Setup tab. Next, mark the box by Mutual Fund/Equity Distributions. There's a View By drop-down menu you can access here. If you click it, you'll have the option to set the alert up for either a specific account or all of your accounts. I have mine set to all accounts because I want to be notified whenever I get a dividend in any of my accounts. Once that's all done, click the Set Up Selected Alerts button at the bottom. Here, it'll ask you to select the email you want the alert sent to. If you don't see the email you want listed here, you can add it and select it once it's added. Once you're all finished, click the Update button to lock everything in. What you've just done is enable Fidelity to send you an email whenever a company you own pays you a dividend. If you have your email on your phone set up to notify you with every new email you get, it'll be just like Fidelity sending you a notification on your phone. A few things to note. The dividend emails are almost always sent out very late at night after the dividend has been paid to you and reinvested if you've enabled DRIP. But a late notification is still better than no notification at all. Also, the email won't be very detailed. It'll only tell you that a certain company posted a distribution. And Fidelity, if you're watching, please give us phone notifications of dividends and DRIP from the mobile app. And that marks the end of this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it.